What is today?
My baptism.
Most amazing thing you could possibly do.
Good morning, passengers. How are you guys today?
We are doing Eve's baptism today. This is your special day today, isn't it?
Yes.
What is today?
And we will be the Lord's missionaries.
This has started way too early. I am gonna say one nice thing, and that is you took your lashing very well. Sticks. If you call me and come home sick, I think one of the consequences is you don't get to go to gymnastics. You actually have to play sick.
I'm gonna go get dressed for football.
You're gonna have to go find your shorts. Oh, did you see the socks you threw at the side of the garden? And you are not going anywhere unless you pick up your junk. You see, now I'm using bad language.
Clap if you care. Clap if you care.
Put them in your pocket so you can take them down to the hamper and
Drop and give me 10.
one. Your hands straight out. They're not supposed to be out. Shake your hands forward. There you go. 1, 2, down further. Bring your butt down. Ooh. Is everyone okay? Oh my gosh. Are we hit? Are we hit? Are they okay? Are they okay? Are you okay? Are you not wanting to wake up? For breakfast this morning, we are having cheese and hard-boiled eggs. Are you gonna get ready and come with me? Track. Is everyone okay? Oh my gosh, are we hit? Are we hit? Are they okay? Are they okay? Are you okay? You're okay? I'm okay. Okay, Russell, it's okay. And what happened? It's okay. Everyone's